Hey guys,
Welcome back.
welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing
A Kawaii Charm set.
that's right, Kawaii Charm set. This one is going to be with all McCart polygel and these glitters right here. So it's going to be pretty simple. We're going to do the lazy girl or the Fit Me Beauty method where you put the polygel inside of the nail tip.
The clear polygel.
The clear polygel. And then you put what on the clear polygel?
The pink glitter.
Yep, the glitters. We put the glitters on. And
Of course there has to be glitter with it.
Of course. And then you'll cure that. And then, of course, that's pretty much how all of the nails are going to be done, is with the clear polygel and the glitters. And then we'll just put the charms on the outside of the nails.
Yeah, that's simple.
Pretty simple set. We don't really have much to say on this set because it's so simple and easy. So we will just let you watch the process. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys.
And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you think about these nails.
All right, thanks, guys.
And bye, peeps.
Bye.
Bye.